Hello, it's our viewer here. I just recently made a video about the limited edition Guitar Hero. Just made that. But now I'm going to be making a review on my Panasonic camcorder. This is not the one that I gave away. This is a new one that I got, which is why I got rid of the old one. A little bit more detailed, cool. So let's review on it. Alright, here we go. So let's start off from the front. We have the 78 times enhanced optical zoom. I'm not really good with this, what mega frame, whatever it is, but that's the recorder thing where you record out of. This is the speaker, a stereo zoom speaker, and right here is close, screen, lens protector. I'm thinking speaker, like I said. On this side, Panasonic logo. Don't know what really that is, but if I open it, it can do 360 degrees. And that's the screen. Enter menu. Power on, power off. Trash. Some digital stereo creator instruction things. I don't know. This is the charging cable thing. Right here is the memory slot of 16 gigabyte. Close it and close that out. Right here is the battery. Take it out. Okay. Pretty small, probably smaller than you expected, but that's really what it is. That's how it looks when it's on there. And this is a record button. This is the handle. You can Velcro, adjustable, tighten or loosener. Right here you can zoom in or out. I think this is another part of the speaker. Right here is a quick snapshot picture. On the back right here, I think this is where you could put a stand at if you want to stand up. This is pretty much all there is to it, really. Yes, I'm still working on getting these iPhones in here so we can do more reviews. But this has been a Panasonic camcorder review. Really great camera. I like it a lot. I just wish that the sound could be a bit louder. I'd recommend it for any beginner or maybe even an advanced camcorder. Thank you, and see you next time.